Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to justify text. Okay, for example, I will create new file and we use default template settings. Now we need to create text with text box. You can select this text tool and then I will click here, hold, you can move the text box. I will click at this point. After it, you can create text or paste text from another source. In here, I will use paste tools. You can click paste like this, and then you can select this all text and select all, and then use these tools in a paragraph, or you can see in the properties. You can click at these tools to create a justify text, and also you can set for the level at this option. Like we set the paragraph point into -5, and you can see to be automatically changed. And if you're done, you can click at this icon like this. So you can click again this object to edit. You can select all. You can increase the text box or decrease, make it more fit, and you can click offset to apply. The other option, we also can set another settings for the justify. You can click at this option. In here, this is for the center justify, and this is for the right justify. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials, how to justify text. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.